We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 new items from KHAITE. So I was Ubering to my facial appointment today, and look who I found.
She found me on the way I was walking.
It was so funny. I was like in my car, and she called. She was like, "Where are you?" And we were like at the same intersection at the same time.
So I got her to get out of her car and join me walking.
Yep. So we have how many more blocks to go?
5.
We look another 5 blocks, and then headed to a facial. Light comes on grab.
Can you reach for a product?
Yeah, beautiful hair. Thumb drop. Yeah. So and you can go to. All right, ready for my facial. Quick stop by Saks to do a little bit of shopping. For the first time, I'm not the one shopping. Kaye is. So let's go see what she's gonna get. So I think shopping was kind of a bust, unfortunately. What are you gonna do?
Go back tomorrow. That's what we said.
That's true. Because you're gift shopping.
Yeah,
so.
gift shopping for someone very special, and I'm trying to find the perfect Christmas gift.
I told her to go to Hermes, so we're gonna try this out Wednesday, not tomorrow.
Okay, Wednesday we're gonna do this again.
All right, so let's head home. Okay, I just got home and I picked up my packages from the front desk, and I think I have some unboxing to do. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 new items from KHAITE. But guys, I promise I was good. Not all of these were purchased by me. Some of them are gifts, and everything coincidentally got delivered on the same day, so let's do a little haul. Okay, since this is right here, I'm gonna start with my own purchase. This is an item that I have been thinking about for a while. And one of my closest friends just bought a pair, and I really loved how they looked like on her. So I got a pair for myself. So these are the Martha boots, and I got the ankle version. What I really love about them, first of all, you guys know I'm all about my comfortable kitten short heel, and I just love the squared toe on these. I honestly don't know what I've been doing with my life without a pair of dressy black booties, but I really love these, and these are gonna be out to play all winter. The other item that I treated myself to was a knit, and it's actually in a color that I don't have a lot of in my closet, which is light blue. But here it is. Oh my gosh, it feels so freaking soft. I cannot wait to wear this. Because I'm too lazy to do any try-ons right now, I'm just gonna add a picture of the website image for this sweater so you can see how it fits. But I can't even begin to describe just how soft the wool of this sweater is. Like, this is so cozy. I can't wait to wear this. Okay, next up, this is one of my gifts. Oh, this is the one from the KHAITE PR team. Any thoughts on what this one is? Okay, I think we're just like putting an outfit together right now because wow. How beautiful. Wait, but then like you have to see the vision. We got the sweater, we got the bag, and these boots. Hello? You seeing the vision? You seeing the vision? I'm loving how this is all coming together, but this bag is absolutely gorgeous. A couple weeks ago I was talking about how animal print is making its comeback with leopard print, and I had gotten this really cute mini skirt from KHAITE, and now they have some python print in, and I think this is just such a chic evening bag. Thank you, KHAITE. Okay, and then last but not least, this is the gift from my SA. That was just such a surprise, but he texted me the other day and just wanted my mailing address, and then today this was messengered over, and I'm very curious to see what's inside. Whoa, oh my gosh. The pendant on this necklace is literally the same silhouette as my bag. Wait, this is such a statement piece. I haven't done a statement necklace in a while, but this looks really, really cool. I am so obsessed. I'm so grateful. This is insane. You guys know how big of a fan I am of KHAITE, and to have built such a great relationship with the brand is so beyond anything I could have ever dreamed of. So thank you so much to my KHAITE family. This is so incredible. I actually have quite a few other unboxings that I need to get through because things have started to roll in for the holidays from some of my favorite brands. So let me know if you guys want to see some more unboxings. We've got like advent calendars, beauty sets, the works. But I know not everyone loves unboxing content, so let me know your thoughts on all that, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.